All right, guys, we're gonna give right here a shot. It's kind of tough finding a place where the wind isn't in my face, that I'm actually able to fish, feel the line, and potentially a bite. But we're gonna give this a spot. This might be promising. We'll see. Let's start off with the plastic worm. Got one. Got one. Little guy. Right in the corner of the mouth, right where you want it. Come on, bro. Be gone. Oh, you're stuck. Look what happened. See, you would have been in the water already. But no, you want to go around and get stuck on the thing. See? Now I got to come down here and help you out when you would have been back already. See? You ain't getting away from me. You ain't getting away from me, buddy. Thanks for biting. Go tell your friends to bite.